What's up YouTube, Jimmy 3 Valve here. Just a little quick video. Well, formerly Jimmy 3 Valve, now Jim Brow. I got my 2014 GT track pack. I got the 05 GT convertible, heavily modified. GT just got some 4Master axle backs. But what I was doing today was addressing that issue that some people have with the deck lid, factory deck lid, and the emblem. That's not for me. I like the clean look. Plenty of how-to videos on YouTube, but just a quick thing. Had to cut the emboss out. This thing was a pain in the ass to put on. This is Fred's Parts from CJ Pony Parts. Deck lid has no emblems, nothing on it. RTR has that little RTR emblem. I mean, I guess you could remove it, but I didn't want to try. This was a little cheaper, but it's still a pain in the ass. It holds on with double-sided tape. And getting the thing lined up was a pain in the ass. This is my fourth try, and I think I finally nailed it. This seam right here seems to have a hard time sticking. I put a ton of tape all over the whole thing. It didn't work. Now I kind of put less tape in hopes that the tape that it was right here is kind of forces it in and kind of cocks this out. So I removed the tape that came with there, and I added a couple of things around the edges, and then just really applied a ton of pressure. And we'll hope that it seems pretty tight right now. We're supposed to be getting parts of Hurricane Ernie or whatever it is from down south up here in Massachusetts. And this bad boy's outside because Big Red gets the garage, and Big Blue got to earn it. So just a quick little video. I got a few things going on right now. Don't mind the music. I got the GT500 rear valance I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to try to attempt to do that next couple weeks. I have the Steeder cold air intake, tune required one. I'm just waiting on a tune from Steeder. I'm going to put that in. Not really going to do any how-tos or anything, but just little quick updates. And then my daughter was saying maybe we should have a little competition between Big Red in there and Big Blue. A little rev off. So when the weather's nice, I'm going to get them both out here, rev them up next to each other, see which one sounds best. Like I said, this is stock stock exhaust with 4Master axle backs. I mean, Big Red supercharged, cammed, long tubes, Cat X, and Outlaws going through the system. So going to be louder, but they definitely sound, in my opinion, completely different. And I love the way Big Red sounds with the cam and the chop. So look out for that video. And if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.